How to control your boat via SMARTDOCK app. First, download and open the app. When you open the SMARTDOCK app for the first time, you will be asked if the app is allowed to search for Bluetooth devices. This is essential to establish a connection between the app and the boat. Next, you'll have to accept the terms of use. To do this, scroll down the pop-up displayed to the bottom and choose Accept. Then you may be shown a pop-up informing you of new features in the app. Confirm this by tapping OK. The third and last pop-up that is displayed reminds you of the importance of the Bluetooth connection. Now you have to create a boat profile before you will be able to pair your smartphone with your SMARTDOCK devices. Enter the required boat information on the screen. Follow the instructions displayed. Once you have created your boat profile, it will be automatically activated. Please note, you can create several boat profiles. If you have already created a boat profile, or if you have explored the SMARTDOCK app in the demo mode before installing your devices, choose the little arrow icon in the top left corner of the screen to switch between the profiles. The plus icon allows you to add further profiles. For editing and deleting profiles, tap on the pencil icon on the bottom right of the screen. The next step is to pair your SMARTDOCK devices with the SMARTDOCK app. To do this, the pairing mode of your SMARTDOCK devices must be activated. If you have just installed your SMARTDOCK devices and set up your app for the first time, the pairing mode of the device will automatically be active, which is indicated by the continuous blue light of the device's LED. If the pairing mode is not active, please activate it by pressing the button on the device for at least 10 seconds. Alternatively, you can activate it via a previously connected smartphone. For further information, refer to the FAQ on the SMARTDOCK website. Once the pairing mode has been activated, tap the cog wheel in the top right corner of the app and choose Connected Devices, and then search for Control Computer. A list of available devices will be displayed. Select all devices you want to pair. You'll have to confirm the pairing of each SMARTDOCK device individually. Once you have successfully paired the selected devices, the Start screen will be displayed automatically. Here you can choose whether you want to control your boat using the boat drag mode, boat drag one-handed, or in the classic view, etc., depending on the conditions and your preferences. In case your boat is not equipped with a joystick, we recommend limiting the maximum power to 50%. Additionally, we recommend enabling the automatic activation of bow and stern thrusters in high mode if available. The app supports a wide variety of motor and thruster types, suitable for numerous boat configurations. Hence, the individual views displayed may slightly differ.